So this video will help you with the inequalities from a graph activity. We're given a graphed inequality, and what we have to do is select which inequality represents the graph. Now, one thing that you can do is use Desmos for this, or we can think about what we're looking at and what makes the most sense mathematically. I'm going to show you how to do both. So first of all, I have a closed circle over 1. Now I know a closed circle is going to be this sign or it's going to be this sign, not one of those two. Remember, it takes more ink to write one of these two, and it takes more ink to draw in a closed circle. So closed means less than or equal to or greater than or equal to. Now I'm looking, it's circled at 1. All of these answers have 1 as the number of interest. And then all of the numbers are going to be shaded to the right, and all of those numbers are greater than 1. So 2 is greater than 1. 3 is greater than 1. So I'm looking for x is greater than or equal to 1 based on the direction of the shading, based on I have a closed circle. D is going to be my answer because x is greater than or equal to 1, which is exactly what I'm looking for. Next one, we have a closed circle. So I know a closed circle is going to be one of these two signs. It's circled at 4. All of these numbers over here are giving me 4. And then the number right next to 4 is 5. That's where my graph is shaded. So all of the numbers are going to be greater than 4. So I'm looking for x is greater than 4, which is C. We'll do one more of these together. So I have a closed circle at -4. So I'm using this sign or I'm using this sign since the circle's closed. Anything shaded to the left is going to be less than. So over to the left, you have -5, you have -20, you have -1000. All of those numbers are smaller than -4. So I'm looking for less than or equal to -4. This is x is less than -4. This is x is less than or equal to -4. And then both of these are greater than, so not going to be what I want.